A to yes. A is for apple and a car. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for egg and eagle. F is your fan. G is for yam. H is for hat. I is for eagle and owl. G is for jack. K is for kitchen. L is for leg. M is for mouth. N is for nut. O is for ocean and open. P is for puppy. Q is for queen. R is for rat. S is for seal. T is for turtle. U is for umbrella and unicorn. V is for violet. W is for what? X is for eggplant. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. American sign, mango alphabet.